afternoon, Theme Park Junkie fans. We're here at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay to do the Gwazi Rmc update and check out the new Tigris progress. I hear that they got the trains on the track, so let's head on in and take a look.
Yeah, everybody have a great day. All right, y'all have fun.
Right off the bat, they have stilt walkers out in the front today. Apparently they're doing something with USAA. Very, very crowded. So guys, when you first walk in, there used to be a stage back here where they used to put on like a rock and doo-wop thing. Well, they put up work walls a long time ago and some lockers and stuff. Well, I just noticed in the background there, they're actually working on it. They're doing construction, so is it gonna come back? I don't know, but something's happening. Really not much changed right here, guys. Looks the same. Let's head on around and see if it changed over on the other side. Alright guys, I'm standing in front of Gwazi and guess what? Something new. Yeah, work walls. They actually got work walls up, so that means they are going to be working right here on the Q house. It's pretty cool. And right on the other side of the watering hole here, right in front of Gwazi, now they have work walls up all through in here. And even the shop has work walls up, extending all the way around to Gwazi gliders. So, no more shots of the coaster from this way. They got us blocked off. Not much changed over here either, guys, that I can see. See, even on the back side, nope, nothing changed there. Alright, so only that changed from the front side, guys, is the work walls. So let's head on around the side and see what's over here. Anything good going on in the midway? Nope. Kind of quiet over here. Busy in the park, but quiet over here. And now they are getting Gwazi Field ready because of the events that are actually going to be happening. We have some concerts coming, so you can see that they're getting their little vendors set up. So now there is work walls back there. That's going to get us a much better view of some of the Gwazi stuff happening. Just as soon as those concerts start, we can get back there. So I'm looking forward to that. Speaking of the event, looking over this beautiful pond they have here, there's actually some of the tents over there they have set up for the Food and Wine Festival. Yep. Getting all ready for it. Food and Wine Festival. Alright, so enough about the Food and Wine Festival. Let's get back to Gwazi. But just in case you're interested, it's starting March 16th. Through April 28th here. So come check it out if you're interested. just a few minutes, guys, we'll be over there checking out and see what the ride cars look like, hopefully. Just as soon as we finish up with the Gwazi Rmc update. Alright guys, so since I was really close to the Tigris, I figured let me come over here and grab this update before I ran over to the other side and grabbed Gwazi. So Q House, or old Q House, is still the same. I don't see nothing new going on there. They still have the work walls up, so you cannot cut through. But they do have work crews out there right now. So what are they doing? Putting in some kind of a conduit cable. Let's check them out. I'd like to see if I can see if there's trains anywhere. I'll have to try to get a better view. Pretty excited. Can't wait for it to open. Now, this Monday, guys, is a media event for the announcement of what's going to be replacing Gwazi, so stay tuned for that. On the other side, guys, you can see there's a structure right here going up. So that's going to be where the walkway was, adjacent to the ride.
Oh, this is where the house is.
The only thing we can see here is a pile of rubble. There she is, opening soon. All right, well let's head on the Skyride and get this Gwazi update going again. Shot of Tigris from the gondolas. Alright, so we're headed up the other lifts tower and gonna try to get some really good footage of that Gwazi update. So just enjoying a nice day. I heard it's kind of breezy though. Kind of breezy. apologize for the wind, guys, but it is very, very windy up here. See a lot of deconstruction happening. It's coming along though. Definitely coming along, guys. Got the cranes out there working. They got backhoes. Wind is really bad. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for Gwazi. Alright, theme park junkie fans, we came and we did the Gwazi Rmc update, and they are moving right along. They got work walls up everywhere, and you know, cranes and bulldozers, all kind of stuff. Apologize for the wind once again. It's very windy up here on the gondola. Tigris is moving right along. They're almost done. They've got the ride cars here. I mean, we saw them on the track. I don't know. I have to check my footage and see if they're currently on the track. But we know that that is going to be up for ride testing here very, very shortly. So, woo, wait for that wind. Alright guys, it was way too windy up on the gondola. So like I was saying, lots been done, a lot of work walls, a lot of progress. Very excited about this. So please guys, if you like what you see here, we appreciate you guys following us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Push that bell notification. Until next time, I'm gonna see you at a theme park. Bye guys.